In the North Thurston Public Schools, our goal in career and technical education is to make sure that students have reliable, high quality, accessible programs for their exploration into what careers they want to go into post high school. We don't care what they choose, we want them to have a plan in 2-year, 4-year schools, military, right into the workforce, into the trades. We just want them to have a plan and have the skills to be able to take forward to match that plan.
One reason why I took manufacturing is because I knew that I'm a very hands-on learner and I don't like being stuck behind a computer screen all day, and while there is some CAD, I just like being hands-on and physical with my learning. I have a really hard time when it's just paper and pencil, and being here with the welders and the laser and cutting sheet metal and bending sheet metal and using the CNC machine, it just gave me an opportunity to learn the way I needed to, so that way I can thrive in my learning.
Being a part of Yearbook has helped foster skills within me I will be able to use in the modern workplace, such as creativity, teamwork, and critical thinking.
Being in the auto shop program has taught me how to work in a team very well as being a leader. I've been a team leader the past 2 years in this class, and that has helped me grow a lot. It has also helped me learn how to use customer service skills, communicate with customers over the phone and in person, and just have them be satisfied overall.
Besides the student story being a lot of fun to just be a part of, as a child I've always wanted to do run my own business, and it's taught me a ton of skills on how to do that, like making a schedule, filling a fridge, working with customers, and just being really professional.
Being in video productions has taught me the importance of teamwork and has taught me skills for how to lead a creative project.
In North Thurston CTE, I'm just super excited about how our staff has adapted to the changes of what industry is doing. Being really creative in the classes that they make and how they're teaching kids, and making new student-run businesses, making brand new classes, giving lots of options for students to really achieve the goals that the students want to achieve.